Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from ADARSH VIDYA MANDIR, Mount Abu. Students, today we will discuss about the hybridization. Now in chemistry, that is an important concept in chemical bonding. You know that atoms are highly unstable and they combine to form molecules which are more stable than the isolated atoms. So before bond formation, if you see, there is requirement of the orbitals which have what? Equal shape and equal energy. So suppose we take one example, just take methane, CH4. So actually the carbon atom is forming 4 bonds with the 4 H atoms. So it means this atom when overlap or form bond, we can say. So the carbon atom requires 4 equal energy orbitals to form bond. But as we see the outermost electronic confidence, that is what you know, that is 2s2, 2p2 for carbon. So the S and P both are there in second orbit and they have what? Different shapes and different energies. Then how can these S and P orbitals make bond? So before making bond, there is mixing of these S and P orbitals to give different new orbitals which are called hybrid orbitals. So this process is called actually what? Hybridization. So now you can understand how can we define hybridization. We can say it is a process of mixing of different atomic orbitals which have what? Different shapes and almost equal energy. So when mixing occur, after mixing they form new orbitals which are called hybrid orbitals. And these hybrid orbitals have what? They have same shapes and same energies. Okay, but the energy of this hybrid orbital or shape of this hybrid orbital is different from the combining or mixing, actually, that is mixing atomic orbitals. Okay, so that is the definition, so we can understand that the process of mixing of atomic orbitals to form new hybrid orbitals is called hybridization. Now, what are the rules? Now, first rule you should know that only atomic orbitals combine. Orbitals are combining, okay, not electron. Actually, orbitals are mixing. The proper word that we use mixing. Orbitals are mixing, and which orbitals? Atomic orbitals are mixing. And these atomic orbitals may be vacant, full-filled or half-filled. Okay? And generally, these all atomic orbitals are what? Are related to valence shell or valence orbit. Okay? Now, next point, if you see, the number of hybrid orbital is equal to the number of atomic orbitals. It means you can understand, suppose if 2 atomic orbitals combine, then 2 hybrid orbitals are formed. And suppose 4 atomic orbitals combine, then 4 hybrid orbitals are formed. Okay, so that is the second rule. Now next, the shape and energies of hybrid orbitals is same, but their orientation in space. It means if you see actually when hybrid orbitals are formed, okay, they have equal shape and equal energies, but they are again rearranged. Okay, so their orientation in space is what? Different. Now next point, the name of hybridization is given on the basis of the atomic orbital which mixes with each other to form hybrid orbitals. For example, if 1s orbital combine with 1p orbital, then the type of hybridization is called sp hybridization. When 1s orbital combine with 2p orbital, then the type of hybridization is called sp2 hybridization. And when 1s orbital combine with 3p orbital, then the type of hybridization is called sp3. Now, next point, these hybrid orbitals have their properties. Actually, they have character of both. Both means the combining or mixing atomic orbital. Suppose we have sp hybrid orbital. So it has 50% character of S and 50% character of P. And suppose we have sp2 hybrid orbital, then there are what? 33.3% character of S and the remaining is what? P character. And in similar, if you have sp3, so there are 25% character of s orbital and 75% character of p orbital. So that was definition and some rules of hybridization. We will continue next to types and another type topic related to this one in next period. Thank you.